Hello, wonderful people. My name is Alexander Grabovetskiy, and I'm a wood carver, and I teach at Marc Adams School of Woodworking and time-honored crafts. I do have multiple classes every year, and I'm coming back next year also. Every class is different. We do have people coming back year after year, class after class, and it's never the same. For example, this year we are working on a really complex carving, which is going to be like a Grinling Gibbons style of wood carving. Once it's going to be done, it is going to look really nice, okay? It's just the beginning stage, but once it's done, it's going to look original, authentic to the Grinling Gibbons. And if you like a wood carving, you know what I'm talking about. We're going to have a couple classes. One of them going to be fundamentals of wood carving, and the second would be classical carving or wood carving with classical flair, if that sounds just better. But in fundamentals class, what we're going to do, it doesn't mean it's a beginner's class. Beginners are welcomed. All level of skills are welcome, and I usually have mixed group. But what we're planning to do, it is going to be a French style. We're going to do some ribbon, incorporate with the shell and the French Acanthus sleeve, which is probably the most complex acanthus in the history, the French Acanthus sleeve. Okay.
Oh, oh, glitter. Wonderful.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm here with these wonderful people today, including my instructor, Alex, at the Marc Adams School for Woodworking. This is my first wood carving class actually ever. I knew that this was going to be a difficult class, and I was actually told that I was going to cry at some point this week. While it has been very difficult, I'm not crying over the woodworking. I'm probably going to cry, though, that it's over soon. I'll definitely be back soon. This has just been an amazing experience, and I've met so many amazing people. So many wonderful people. Wonderful people, including Alex. So come take a class here. You won't regret it.
Hi, my name is Joe, and I'm here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking, otherwise known as Marc Adams Woodworking Fantasy Camp. And this week I took a wood carving class with the great woodworking instructor Alexander Grabovetskiy, which I hope I pronounced it right because it's nodding. Okay. And what we did was this fabulous carving. Alex really challenges you in the wood carving in more ways than I can describe, and he has this way of teaching that makes you want to be a better wood carver and a better woodworker. And it's a very relaxing environment, very challenging environment, and what you do is you get to see what the engine can do, what you're able to do. And we thank him for that. Outside of a good dog, nothing beats taking a class with Alex. Inside of a dog, it's too dark to see what you're doing.
I'm Susan Porter, and I'm taking Alexander's carving class. I thought I was going to be intimidated and fall flat on my face, but I didn't. I think it has something to do with his teaching style. He's really a very knowledgeable young man with a world of information. Marc Adams is probably the best woodworking school in the country and in the world, perhaps. And people ought to take advantage of this school.
Hello, my name is Michael Austin Chandler. This is my first time here at Marc Adams School of Woodworking. We're taking the carving in the style of Grinling Gibbons class taught by Alexander Grabovetskiy. So far it's been a really wonderful experience. Doesn't matter what level you're at, this has been wonderful to kind of have just a wealth of knowledge laid upon us so that we can learn more fundamentals and some techniques that are not just open to the public that people know. So it's been a great experience overall. Alexander's been a wonderful teacher, been very helpful, encouraging, while also just helping us understand the whole process of it more and making it really fun as well. So you should definitely check it out. It's been a wonderful time, and you wouldn't regret coming here.
You should say definitely take the class, not check it out, okay?
Definitely take the class.
Okay, that's better.
Hey, I'm Roy Almaroad from Kingsport, Tennessee. We're in Alex Grabovetskiy's fantastic advanced art class dealing with the Grinling Gibbons style of woodworking. It's very difficult, but Alex makes it just possible for anyone to learn. And I know because I've been in art for all my life, 77 years.
Oh, wow.
And Alex is by far, and I truly mean this, one of the best instructors I've ever had. Thank you, Alex. And the school is easily accessible to most any place in the United States. It's a great location, clean air, wonderful personnel and staff. You couldn't find a better school to go anywhere in the United States. If you're a craftsman, advanced craftsman, or even one of those rare people that's so hard to find, you can find education here and have a great time doing it. Oh yes, Alex, you're a great instructor and a funny one at that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Ryan. This is my second time carving here at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking. I'd just like to let the work speak for itself. Here with being taught by Alexander Grabovetskiy, and I went from not being able to carve to carving this. So he's a really talented and skilled teacher with a great sense of humor, and I always love coming here. I came here maybe about 9 years ago, 8 or 9 years ago, and I've been coming back ever since. This is one of the most fun classes that I've taken.
Hello, my name is Gary, and I'm from Illinois, and I'm taking Alexander's woodcarving class at Marc Adams School. I found the class and the instruction very informative, all the way from basic skills of presenting the tool to the wood to the final cut of the flower and the ornamental design. I look forward to further classes. This is my 4th class with the instructor, and find it very pleasant. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Keith Morgan from Greenwood. Real long trip, takes me about 15 minutes to get down here. I've had a couple of classes. All the instructors have been excellent. And Alexander's put up with me now for 2 or 3 times. And so happy to say, hey, it was good. A lot of good information, and sharpen up your gouges and come on down. The atmosphere is great. The lunches are wonderful. Everything is here that you need.
I'm John. I'm here at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking, studying Grinling Gibbons' technique of wood carving with master carver Alexander Grabovetskiy. This is a great place to come and learn. Amazing, talented teachers, amazingly talented students, and you need to come take a class here.
Hi, my name's Marc. I've been attending Marc Adams School of Woodworking for several years. I have my master's certification, but you want to keep taking classes to learn new things. New techniques. My difficult thing for me, I've always wanted to be a good carver, and I take several classes a year in carving, and all of them here. Well, he's Alex. No, you're a very good instructor, and you make it fun, and you're easy to talk to, and easy to listen to explanation from you.
My name is Jerry Michaud. I'm here from Cincinnati, Ohio. I just wanted to tell you that I've been coming to Marc Adams now for a number of years. That school is really, really wonderful in the sense that they are always accommodating, in the places in perfect order every time. The courses that I've been taking essentially are all with Alexander Grabovetskiy. And I like him because, one, every time we talk, there is a new program that he brings to the class. And he's always ready to explain. He gets better and better with each year. So I would encourage you, if you really want to carve, take this class and take it more than once. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bill Kluge. I'm from Wichita, Kansas. I've been coming to the Marc Adams School for about 25 years, and I come here because it's the best school in the United States, and particularly because it has the best teachers in the United States. And one of the best is Alex. He has taught me a lot about carving. He's a wonderful craftsman and a superior teacher, and I'm very, very pleased with my experience. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Steve, and I had never heard of Grinling Gibbons before signing up for this course at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking. And now, having taken the course, that name is probably going to haunt me for the rest of my life. But I have nevertheless enjoyed the course a great deal. I appreciate Alexander's competent instruction, and I really appreciate the way he's challenged and pushed us, and it's made us all, particularly me, a better woodcarver. So thanks very much, and I'll plan to be back.
Hi, I'm Aaron Newton. I'm here at the Marc Adams School of Woodworking. I'm taking Alex's class for the second time. I've been interested in the Gibbons woodcarving, and I was very fortunate to take this class. I highly recommend Alex. He's a wonderful teacher, talks a lot, but he's a great guy. I appreciate it.